Hi everybody, welcome to another day. Today is Tuesday, sunny outside, the wind is blowing. It's a great day to be outside, right? So today we're going to do a social studies lesson and we're going to create a timeline. We're going to get information about something that happened and then we're going to match the dates up with the dates on the timeline. We're going to match dates up with the timeline. So this is about a hungry, happy hippo. So let's learn about this hungry, happy hippo. So on January 24th, 2017, a baby Nile hippo was born secretly at the Cincinnati Zoo. She weighed 29 pounds. She was the smallest hippo to ever survive. So, Giovanni, where was this hippo born? At where? At the zoo. Boris, where do hippos come from? Pretty much where do most animals come from? Africa. Good job, good job. So, what did they say about this hippo, Jamari? She was the one hippo to ever survive? The smallest. Good job. And this hippo is a Nile hippo. Nile is actually like a river. It's a river in Africa. So next is January 31st, 2017. So this is a few days after she was born. It says the baby hippo was named Fiona, which means fair. So I know everybody heard the name Fiona before. Roy, where did you hear the name Fiona? It's in a famous movie. Matter of fact, it was like 3 of them. Then like a Christmas one. It was about an ogre and a donkey and a princess named. It was Shrek. Shrek, good job. That's what we've heard the name Fiona before. From Shrek. Princess Fiona. She was the ogre princess. So January 31st, 2017, they named the baby hippo Fiona, which means fair or unfair. Brayden, fair or unfair? Fair. Good job. So next date, March 16, 2017. Fiona ate hay for the first time. It had to be chewed up by her mom first. Yes. What do you mean, Tavoris? Horses are not the only animals that eat hay. Hippos eat hay too. I just read it out loud. Fiona ate hay. Other animals eat hay. In the research, hay is just not for horses. So she had ate hay. And like most babies, when you eat something, when your mom give you something, sometimes she'll bite it, break it down for you, chew it up. So that's what Fiona's mom did. She had chewed it up for her first, and then she gave it to her. I'm sure your mom chewed up something and chopped it up in little pieces and gave it to you, Jamari. Don't act like that. But she did. So the next date, next month, April 5th, 2017, Fiona played with a sprinkler. This helped with her senses. So it's hot outside. It's spring. It's April, so it's spring. So what we do outside, we're going to run out in the yard. We go swimming. We have water balloon fights. We blow bubbles. Chase butterflies. So it's spring. And they have Fiona outside playing in the sprinklers. She's enjoying herself. I'm sure she's staying cool. And you know hippos, they love water and mud. So she's out there in the water. She's playing. And it helps with her senses. So what are your senses? Your senses. Senses help you to see, hear, taste, feel. So this is what this water sprinkler is doing. It's helping her with her senses. Next date, May 10th, 2017. Fiona had a dental checkup. She started to grow teeth on the top of her mouth. So like most babies, after 6 months, you're supposed to go get your teeth cleaned and checked out. They look at them, look at your first 2 bottom teeth, your first 2 top teeth, see if they're coming in right. Then if you have some, they might put like just a little bit of fluoride on them. You didn't go to the baby. How you know you went to the dentist as a baby? You probably did. You don't even remember. But she's starting to teeth. You call it when your teeth come in. It's called teething. So she's starting to teeth. And she's getting her first 2 teeth at where? The bottom or the top? Mari, the bottom or the top? The top. Good job, mama. The top. She's getting her first 2 teeth at the top. Then it says next, last day, January 24th, 2018. Now what happened January 24th, 2017? The first date. Roy. She was born. So a year later, what is she celebrating? Victor. What do you celebrate every year? Cake, ice cream, presents, friends, family, music, birthday parties. Birthday. Fiona celebrated her first birthday. So now I'm going to shuffle up a few dates. We're going to try to match them with the different dates on this timeline right here. About Fiona, the hungry, happy hippo. What does Fiona eat again, Boris? Hey. So, here's my first date. April 5th. What happened on April 5th? Anybody can find April 5th? January, March, April. April, and it says, Fiona played with a sprinkler. This helped with her senses. So does this match? Fiona played with a sprinkler. This helped with her senses. It matches? Okay, so we're going to put this one right here. Next to this one. Next to the dot on the other side. By Fiona. Okay. Put this one right here. They match. My next one. It has a picture of some, what is it? Some hay. It has a picture of some hay. Where do you see hay at? Amari, where do you see this picture at? Right here? Good job. It says May 16th, 2017. Fiona ate hay for the first time. It had to be chewed by her mom. Good job. Just going to put that right here. It goes with this one. Next. Victor. Remember I just asked you this question. So, she was born on January 24th, 2017. So, what did she celebrate January 24th, 2018? She celebrated her what? Her birthday. So, what do we expect to see? Cake, right? Cake. Which one has cake? This one? Cake. Fiona celebrated her first birthday. So, she turned 1. So, it goes right here. Job. Next one. Jamari, can you tell me what happened on May 10th, 2017? Come find May 10th, 2017. That's May 10th, 2017? Okay. So it says, what happened on May 10th? It says Fiona had a dental checkup. She started to grow teeth on the top of her mouth. So this one, do they match? Yes, they do. Good job. Good job identifying those sight words. Okay. Giovanni. This one. We're looking for January 24th, 2017. So January 24th. Let's find January 24th, 2017. Not in 2018. We're in 2017. This is 2018. We're looking for 2017. January 24th, 2017. It's right here. And what happened on this day? She was born on this day. Okay. So, Does this picture match this picture? Yes. Does the date match? January 24th. Yes, it does. So this one goes right here. So it goes with this picture, with this date. She was born 6 weeks early. Smallest hippo to ever survive. Last, Brayden, January 31st. Well, yes, that one's it. What is it? What is it talking about? They named her what? What was her name? What did they name her? On what day? January 31st, 2017. Good job. They named her Fiona, which means fair or unfair? Fair. Good job. So let's go back over the dates of this timeline. January 24th, 2017, a baby Nile hippo was born 6 weeks early at the Cincinnati Zoo. She weighed 29 pounds. She was the smallest hippo to ever survive. January 31st, 2017, the baby hippo was named Fiona, which means fair. March 16th, 2017, Fiona ate hay for the first time. It had to be chewed by her mom first. April 5th, 2017, Fiona played with a sprinkler that helped with her senses. May 10th, 2017. Fiona had a dental checkup. She started to grow teeth on the top of her mouth. And last, January 24th, 2018. A year after the day she was born, she celebrated her first birthday. So that concludes the lesson about the hungry, happy hippo. So, non-YouTubers, we're going to have to research some animals that eat hay, right? So that's what we do in center time, okay? Me and you, we'll look at some animals, other animals that eat hay, okay? So, this concludes our lesson. I'll see you for the next lesson, okay? So everybody go to centers so me and Tavares can start looking up animals that eat hay, okay?